Nostalgic tram. The nostalgic red tram running along Istiklal Street is not just a charming sight but also a functional mode of transport. It runs from Taksim Square to Tunnel Square, allowing tourists to experience a piece of Istanbul's history while enjoying a leisurely ride. Art and culture. Istiklal Street is a hub for art and culture, with numerous theaters, including the famous Ataturk Cultural Center, AKM, at Taksim Square, which hosts concerts, operas, and ballets. The street is also dotted with art galleries and exhibition spaces, making it a vibrant cultural destination. Para Museum. Located near Istiklal Street, the Para Museum houses a remarkable collection of Orientalist paintings, Anatolian weights and measures, and Kütahya tiles and ceramics. It's a cultural gem that often goes unnoticed by many tourists. Historic cinemas. The street is home to some of Istanbul's oldest and most iconic cinemas, such as the Atlas and Majestic cinemas, which have been operating since the early 20th century. These cinemas offer a nostalgic movie-going experience.
Dragon Ball Z, One Piece.
Adam da o zaman bir babaya
Culinary delights. Istiklal Street offers a culinary journey with its diverse array of eateries, ranging from traditional Turkish lokantas and kebab shops to international cuisine and modern fusion restaurants. It's a food lover's paradise, with something for every palate. Street performers. Istiklal Street is alive with street performers, including musicians, magicians, and dancers, who entertain passers-by. This creates a lively and dynamic atmosphere, especially in the evenings and on weekends. If you like our videos and content and want them to come more, please subscribe to our channel. Also comment and like our videos. Thank you in advance.